Hello students, Mr. Yund here, and it's just about test time. If you're watching this video, you might be ahead, or it might be right here, October 6th. So October 6th is study day, then it's the weekend. Hey, that's awesome. So that would be the 7th and the 8th. The 9th is Columbus Day. There's no school, so enjoy the day off. I know I will. Probably be raking leaves. Regardless, then we have the Chapter 4 test. You know what? Let's take a sneak peek. Why not? So here we are. Here's what it's looking like. Starts with a vocab. Little tip that I can give you is that when you're doing the test, I put the questions generally in the order that the answers appear in the chapter. So like the vocab's always first, because we always do vocab first in the chapter, and then there'll be lesson 1 questions, and then lesson 2 questions, lesson 3 questions. So odds are if you see a question and you go, oh, alright, so it's the first question after the vocab, it's probably from lesson 1, if you need to look anything up. I always recommend rereading the chapter before the test, but this will help you, find answers or have a general idea of what the answer might be. This is all part of your test taking skills. You could see it starts with the vocab, it's the matching, same as the quiz, and then a lot of multiple choice. I didn't put any essay questions in here. And there's a true and false right there at the end, because I wanted it to be a nice round 40 points. And that's it. Tools. I have some new tools for you. Alright, things you have access to that can help you with this test. We've got the study guide. That is a document that I made. It basically tells you a lot of what's going to be on the test, or could be on the test. It's a lot of questions, though. That's basically what it is. You look at that. If you can answer those, or at least know where to find the answer, you're probably in good shape. Now, this next one's new. This is a PDF that's drawn from my Google Drive. If it decides it wants to pop up, it's going to be difficult. Refresh the page if it does that to you, or have it go out. Hey, this is a super nifty, swell sheet that kind of summarizes each lesson in the chapter. So, look at these. Oh, colonial America began a society based on agriculture. Good thing to know. So this is a new resource. I think I'm going to put this at the end of every chapter. Good tool for you. Good tool. Alright, let's go back. In addition to that, we have our little discussion page. What this video is going to be. So we've got that going for us. If you have any questions, you can put them here in the forum, and maybe your peers will answer them. Hopefully I see it. Or the most direct way to contact me is probably still just to inbox me if you have a question. But the forum is here too. Alright, hey, that's it. The test will be Tuesday, so you have plenty of time to study because you got that day off. And the whole weekend, you probably, maybe, if you don't look at anything at all over the whole weekend, that's a long time, maybe do a quick review before you knock out the test. You do have 3 attempts on the test, and to be perfectly honest with you, if you flub 3 of them, and you want a 4th one, you're like, alright, I'm doing it for reals now, and you just requested of me, I'll basically never turn down a request to try again. That's it. I just by default set you with 3 attempts. So, that's it. Yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. I know it looks big, but you really have a lot of tools to help you. And if you read the chapter, did all the assignments, and a lot of it is familiar, you've done it already. You just are doing it all together now. So, don't stress. I think you all do fine. Alright, hey, have a wonderful day. Let me know if you need anything.